Dear friends, good evening. Today we would like to talk about one of the important aspects of Vedic astrology, especially Gemini astrology. So, Gemini actually introduced Karakas in a bird chart to basically understand which planet signifies what. So, we have natural Atmakaraka as Sun and Putrakaraka Jupiter. Like Gemini has categorized planets as per their maturity residing in a particular house. So a planet having highest degree in a birth chart is called Atmakaraka, and the second highest degree is Amatyakaraka. So today we are going to talk about Amatyakaraka because Amatyakaraka is very important for any individual to prosper in their career or business. So if Atmakaraka is a king, Amatyakaraka is a minister. So Amatyakaraka is basically an advisor. So without a proper advisor, a king cannot perform. So the role of Amatyakaraka is very important for Atmakaraka to prosper, help the individual to prosper in life. So we look at Amatyakaraka to see what all the professions a particular person is involved and which professions actually are favorable. See the position of Amatyakaraka, and if Amatyakaraka is connected to 10th Lord, 10th house, is sitting in 10th house, so this person is going to have very stable and strong career, whatever be the field of profession he chooses. So Amatyakaraka gives a overall picture of how a particular person survives, either through business or through career or both of them. Will this person have multiple professions? What kind of hardships this person will go through? For example, an Amatyakaraka is positioned in 6th, 8th or 12th. So this is not a favorable position. So during the Dasha of Amatyakaraka, definitely this person passes through some turmoil in career or business. If Amatyakaraka is in 6th house, then lot of enemies this person has to face during the Dasha of that Amatyakaraka. So if he loses in the fight, he may have to give up his job. And if Amatyakaraka is positioned 8th house or 12th house, then certainly this person is going to lose his job during the Dasha of Amatyakaraka unless there is a favorable aspect of 10th Lord, or 10th Lord is strong, or Jupiter is aspecting Amatyakaraka. Unless these things happen, it is likely that this person is going to lose his job. So the relative position of Amatyakaraka from Atmakaraka is also very important for the individual to prosper in his career or business. So Amatyakaraka being in 5th house from Atmakaraka or 9th house from Atmakaraka, so it means they are in a very good position from each other, and it's going to work well for the individual. It could be in the line of profession or business. So if the Amatyakaraka is weak or debilitated or combust or in 6, 8, 12 houses, then the person will have troubles during the Dasha of Amatyakaraka. Definitely he will struggle to prosper during the timing of Amachyakaraka Dasha. If Atmakaraka is strong, still this person will be able to cope up. But with hardships and lot of struggle, this person will come out smoothly. If Amachyakaraka is in 10th house, a planet signifying career in 10th house, so it brings a lot of name and fame during the Dasha of this Amachyakaraka. If Amachyakaraka is in 9th house, then it indicates long distance travel, foreign travel. This person becomes highly spiritual during the Dasha of Amachyakaraka. He will see a lot of change in his life, change of job, long distance travel, spirituality. So basically, Amachyakaraka sitting in 9th house means Amachyakaraka in the house of fortune. He is well positioned. So if Amachyakaraka is in 7th house, then the spouse becomes advisor of this particular person. And especially when this particular Dasha is activated, the person's partner, spouse plays a key role, lead his life in making decisions. And if Amachyakaraka is connected to 4th house, the person's mother will play a key role in making this person successful. She will walk along with this person so that he is successful in whatever be the profession he is in, profession or business he is in. And usually 4th house is for real estate, vehicles. If Amachyakaraka is sitting in 5th house, so this means that this person becomes successful by his creative thoughts, successful in doing things new, and this person is an ideal person, ideal father to nurture his children. So basically the advisor is getting into 5th house. So 5th house is a house of children as well. And also I have seen some charts where there is a prominent position of Amachyakaraka connected to 5th house. These people are very good at speculation, trading. So if Amachyakaraka is in 3rd house, then the person's siblings, younger siblings, they play a key role. So this person basically nourishes, guides his younger siblings. That is one thing, and he helps his siblings, and he may take up writing, publishing, communication, media, journalism as his profession. And these people achieve success after a long time, after a lot of effort and hard work, because 3rd house is house of self-effort and initiation. If Amachyakaraka gets into 2nd house, then this person brings up his family, nourishes the family, and he always finds new avenues to make money. He'll have multiple sources of income. This person is very good at financial management. If Amachyakaraka is in ascendant itself, so it means the person himself becomes an advisor. He listens to many people's advice, but still finally, when it comes to making a decision, this person takes his own decision, own call. He has to. Nobody could help him. So if Amartya Karka getting into 12th house, 12th house is house of foreign places, foreign lands, hospitals, jails. So this person may pursue career, education in these areas. I have seen people who have Amartya Karka in 12th house. They went abroad and they settled there. So Amartya Karka sitting in 11th house. So this person is a guide, mentor for his elder siblings or network of friends. And his thoughts and plans are always towards fulfillment of his desires, because 11th house is highest of kama houses. Amartya Karka in 11th house, this person sees great success either in career or business, depending on how Amartya Karka is connected to either 7th house or 10th house. So friends, this is my analysis about Amartya Karka. If you like my video, please click on like button and also subscribe to my video. Thank you very much.